simple, but I learned from a boyfriend right in the beginning, and it was so cool. Sometimes if we look behind, we go towards the direction we're looking at. So when you're gonna look behind you, press, like if I'm gonna look towards the left, hold my left hand very straight and look. If you don't, if you just look, see? So, just a quick tip. If you're gonna look behind you to see if there's a car that you can cross it, please hold your hand very steady so the bicycle won't go this way towards the same side that you're looking. If you just lower your head and look back, you don't move too much your body, you know? Just lower and look back. Easy. So sometimes, you know what we do when we are in a peloton and we want to look behind? Usually the peloton has two lines. We position our, let's say my friend's on the right side and I want to look back or right. I place my hand on his shoulder and look behind. This way I'll never move towards one side or the other. Okay, 2 tips in 1. If you're a road biker, use this one, it's a good one. Hope you did like it, and let's keep riding. I love when it's empty. I know. It's good. Hope you did like it. Thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because this part, the tips are the main reason for you to subscribe, because they come out whenever I remember something, like now. Hope you like it. Bye bye. Gotta look all the time.